Okay, we have a Tos Engine Lathe, model SUS 80 with 33-inch swing by 140-inch centers, serial number 0454065. The machine was new in the 1990s. We're gonna run it for you. The machine has inch and metric threading capability. Right now he's running at a low RPM. The machine has from 7.1 RPM up to 900. There's 22 different speeds. Forward and reverse. A little higher RPM, actually has a low and a high on the 2-speed motor. Even another RPM. And another RPM. Okay. Yep, 2 speeds in every gear selection. Okay, higher RPM, yep. He's engaging the half nut, and we're threading. You can see on the digital readout that the carriage is moving. All right. Now we have the feed rod turning, and we are moving cross. You can see that on the digital readout. Okay? Yep. Other direction. Reversed it. Longitudinal feed, again, you can see it on the digital readout. Other direction. Rapid traverse. Okay, that's 4-way rapid traverse. You saw the threading. He's moving the tailstock on the rack and tailstock quill. Tailstock quill is a number 6 Morse taper with a 5-inch diameter, 5.1-inch diameter, and it's 13-inch travel. Also, you have 2 steady rests, one larger, one smaller. On the machine, there's a 4-jaw chuck, which is a 33-inch diameter, and you have a 4-way tool post. Hey, thanks for watching our video.